Hi soulmates, welcome to TECLAR Fashion School. My name is Tekla Ezugu, and in today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you the easiest and quickest method of achieving this Bubu dress showing right now on your screen. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're absolutely welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And now let's get started. Now, in order to achieve this Bubu dress, I'll be using 5 yards of fabric. Now, this is my fabric. This is a brocade fabric. It's actually not an Ankara fabric, and it is 5 yards. What I use to achieve this Bubu dress is 5 yards. And then I have my ashoke. You can see I just have a piece of ashoke that I've used earlier on. Now, you're going to go ahead and fold your fabric into 4. Fold it by the width so that you can be able to get the length that you want. So now you can see the first two and then the third and fourth. So the shoulder part is closed. We are not going to be adding any shoulder joining to this Bubu. And then the center part is closed as well. So now let's ride on. The neckline I'm using for this Bubu dress is 3.5 inches and my shoulder is 8 inches. Now from your shoulder, go ahead to add extra 12 inches. You can add more if you want more, but for me what I added extra is 12. Then I came down by 11 inches, which is my shoulder to nipple point, and I'll go ahead and connect that together. Now, I'm going to mark my hip divided by 4. My hip divided by 4 is 10.5. Then I added extra 5 inches allowance. Depending on how big you want the Bubu to be, you can add 5, you can add 6, you can add 7, right? Then that same thing that I have, I'll now go ahead and take it all the way to the full length of my Bubu gown. When you divide your hip by 4, whatever you have, just add extra inches to it and use the same thing to go down to your full length. Then I'll now curve out my armhole path. Now I'm going to determine the shoulder to my half length, which is 19. I added extra 1 inch, and then from that place I measured 7 inches to form any shape of my choice. This is going to serve as my pocket for the dress, right? Now for the neck depth, come down by 8 inches or even 7. This is going to serve as our front neck depth. Then I'll go ahead and cut out every single thing that I have. You can see me cutting the neck. This is going to serve as the front neck depth. Now go ahead to notch your shoulder parts and then refold your fabric in such a way that the front and the back is actually on fold, right? And then the shoulders are actually lapping each other. After folding that, go ahead and then pin what you have. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to determine how deep you want your back to be. For me, I want my back to be just 12 inches deep. You can decide to use 15. You can use your underbust or your half length. It depends on how deep you want it to be. So for me, I came down by 12 inches from the shoulder and then I reconnected it only on one side of the Bubu, right? So I'll now go ahead and then cut out what I have. Now, before I take off this fabric, I'm going to place another plain fabric under it, which I'm going to use to cut the facing. So just go ahead and pin that together so that you can be able to trace out the shape of your dress that you are working with. So you can see me just cutting that out. Then the next thing is to remove your main fabric and then go around it with about 3 inches, right? So measure 3 inches both on the front and the back and then connect it all together. You can use 4, you can use 5, you can draw any shape of your choice. For me, I just used about 3 inches. Then go ahead, notch your shoulder and cut out what you have. Now, the next thing that I'm actually going to do is that I measured from my shoulder to where I want the full length of the Bubu to stop and then I cut it out. What I used is 60 inches. is 58 inches from 2 inches sewing allowance. That is 60 inches. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to work on the facing of this dress. I'll actually be interfacing my facing so that it will stand well with an air stay. So I'll quickly do that, fold the edges, and then I'll come back to show you. So after I was done adding in my interfacing and then folding the edge of my fabric with about ½ inch, this is what I have. Now go ahead to now place your facing, right side facing right side with your fabric, making sure that the part that is supposed to be for the back is actually aligning for the back. And then the part that is supposed to be for the front is also aligning with the front. Now go ahead and pin it together. Now I've gone ahead to make a band strip that is actually 1 inch in width. The length at this point is about 15 inches. Now we are going to actually infuse it on one part of the Bubu dress. I came down by 1.5 inches and then I just inserted the strip, making sure that the right side of the strip is actually facing the right side of my Bubu gown. Now go ahead to use ½ inch to sew all around it. Now, after sewing all around it, this is what I have. And now we are going to actually push the band strip on the other side of our neckline. Remember that we are doing this on the deeper part of our neckline, which is the back neckline. So I'll just go ahead and then loosen out that part, come down by 1.5 inches from the shoulder. And then I'm going to insert the strip, making sure that the right side is facing the right side of the fabric, and then it is in between the facing and my Bubu gown. Now when doing this, make sure that the length that you have is also aligning with the opening of your back so that it doesn't drag your Bubu dress together, right? Now you can see exactly what I have. I'm notching my neckline, and then after top stitching on my machine, this is what I have. Now, at this point, you would notice that your facing is already going to the wrong side. So all I'll have to do at this point is to go ahead and then give this a good press. You can use a hemming gum to hold it together. After pressing, this is exactly what I have. Now you can see that our Bubu dress is already coming out so nice and then so clean. So the next thing that we are going to do at this point is to go ahead and then fold the two parts of the sleeves. Just fold it in with 1 inch, and then we are now going to sew all the way down to the full length of your Bubu dress. Now I'm going to pin it all together, and I'm going to use 1 inch to sew it from the armhole part, and then ½ inch to sew the pocket part, and then I will sew it all the way down to the full length of my Bubu dress, just the way you can see me marking. So I will go over to my machine and sew it exactly the way I've shown you with my chalk on both sides. Now after stitching it down, this is what I have. I'll now go ahead and then flip my Bubu dress to the other side, and you can see, guys, our Bubu dress is already coming out nice and clean. Now, the next thing that we are actually going to be doing at this point is to hem the down parts. I also went ahead to open the down parts with about 19 inches in order to have a slit by the sides. If you want, don't do this, just fold the down parts. Now, let's go ahead and work on the ashoke. Because the ashoke fabric I'm using is actually very soft, I am actually going to be making it on fold. If your ashoke is actually thick, then just go ahead and sew it like that. So for me, I folded mine together, and now there's no standard for any measurement of how this ashoke is going to be. Just do what you want. For the full length of my pocket, I used 8, then I added extra 2 inches for the top folding, and then I'll go ahead and cut that out. Now I'll fold in with the ½ inch and then fold in the 2 inches. Go ahead and top stitch all around it so that everything will lap well. Now after top stitching, this is what I have. You can see how everything is already coming out nice and clean. Then I'm actually going to get any side of my Bubu that I want it to be, preferably on the left if you want. I think mine was on the right. Place it however you want to place it, wherever you want to place it. Just make sure that the part that has 2-inch fold is on the up part, because that is going to be your pocket opening. Then I will go ahead and then pin it together and run a stitch on both sides and then also on the down part. Now, after I was done running a stitch, guys, this is what I have. You can see how beautiful our Bubu dress is already coming out nice. And guys, this is where we'll be stopping for this tutorial. Also, remember that I told you that I opened the sides of the dress and I opened it with about 18 inches. You can see that after I was done hemming the down parts. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and also remember that our premium blazer class is actually ongoing and it is a very detailed class. The price for the class is just 20,000 naira. You can use the seller link on our bio to purchase yours, or you can use the WhatsApp link showing right now in the comments to actually reach out on WhatsApp in order to join the class. You can also join our corset class, our transparent cupped corset class, which is also a detailed class. We also have a WhatsApp community of over 1,000 tailors that you can join. All you have to do is click the WhatsApp link in the comments and it is going to bring you directly to my WhatsApp. Did you enjoy this tutorial? Go ahead now and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And now, if you want to learn more advanced tutorial, just go ahead to click the playlist or the video showing right now on your screen. And until my next video, guys, my name is TECLAR FASHION and I can't wait to have you. Bye.